So I wanted to give you an update on the problems I've been having with my shed, my metal shed. And I will put a link of the original video below, but I'm still continue to have problems with the birds, migrating birds that came down here in Central Florida. As you can see, there's a lot of waste everywhere. So initially I had put screening inside in the middle section over there, right? And then the birds started nesting in other areas. So I had to buy some more material and put it on both sides of this truss, also on my pipe, also in these areas here, and all on the sides here, just to keep the birds at bay. I even had to put some inside this spot here because they were going into my shed, my enclosed area of my shed, right? And even over here, they were nesting up there. So I had to put some metal mesh to stop them from doing that. So I've been looking at it every night and trying to see where they are finding issues, where they are managing to find nesting areas. And dealing with them one day at a time. So what's of interest is that I didn't have this problem last year. The shed was put up about summer last year, and I never had problems with birds, but I think it just took one bird to nest and the rest followed. So like I said, it's an ongoing process to stop the birds from nesting in these areas. So if there's any updates, I'll either make a new video or just post it in the comments. Thanks for watching.